So first off, we need to put our oven on. Our oven temperature wants to be 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Now this is a fan assisted oven. Now you may need to adjust it slightly. Okay, so if you find it's a little bit warm, then cut down the heat, but that should be around about right. So first off, for our recipe, we want 2 ripe bananas, 1 egg, 150 grams of Nutella, 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence or extract, 190 grams of all-purpose flour. That's straightforward bread flour, by the way. 4 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of baking soda, and 1 gram of salt. This is a straightforward, what I call a baking tin. It's not a bread loaf tin, as you can see. It is just a baking tin, all right? And that's 9 inches by 5 inches. And if you want a metric size, it's 23 by 13 centimeters. Just line it with baking parchment or baking paper, whichever the case may be. This is a non-stick pan, but as you can see, I'm still lining it just the same because I just like them to slide out as they are. I'd recommend that with anything. So the best idea with this one is just pop it in the microwave. All we want to do is warm it up. So this is all melted. Now, straightforward thing with bananas, just whack them in, and they're all nice and soft. So with this, just mash up our banana like this. Look at that, lovely, isn't it? Now to do the recipe, it takes around about 15 minutes. So I'll pop our egg in. Give that a bit of a stir around. And that's the rest of it. And all we're going to do now, as you can see, it's not fully down, but it'll be fine just as it is. Everything else is melted. Pop that in. Just give that a good mix in now. So it's all nice and even. Cool, that doesn't have to smell good. And then we just add our flour in and the bits and pieces. And that's all our dry stuff. Stir that in. It is very simple, this recipe. And that is it. Take our clips off. It's all nice going in. It should be nice and even on the top. Now we're going to bake that for 90 minutes. Middle of the oven, like that. So let's have a look at our cake. So just to check it, get yourself a wooden stick or anything like this, or a pin or whatever, and just pop it in and just make sure it comes out clean. Yeah, that is actually physically clean. Just inside there. Yeah, that's fine. So that's ready. I think I could actually probably lift this out as it is. Let's have a go. Cool, that doesn't smell good. Now this is 50 minutes, by the way, all right? Oh, there we go. Wasn't that nice and easy? And that's our banana cake. Looks nice. So we'll let that cool down and we'll see what it's like. Still a little bit warm. She's looking okay. So let's cut her open and see what she's like. Cut off a slice. That's the end bit. Yeah, it's looking nice. Look at that. That's nice. That is just beautiful. So let's see what this tastes like now. It does look lovely. And it's got a beautiful feel to it. Corn, it smells lovely. So let's give it a bit of a taste. Now you can taste the Nutella. Now it's not too overpowering, but also what you can taste is the banana. And that just works well. Now I was wondering, see, with this, because there's no sugar added to it, with the Nutella and the banana, that is your sugar. And that is just right. It is absolutely beautiful, that is. And one thing I will tell you straight away, I cooked this for 50 minutes. Originally, I said 60 minutes, an hour, but actually I cooked it for 50 minutes and that was just right. You wouldn't want any longer. Bear this in mind. That oven's different to your oven. You may find your oven at home cooks completely different to this one. But there you go, folks. If you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, there's a link up here if you want to buy me a coffee. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!